Happy New Year, Christopher Kalawale here. Let's go straight into this video where I'll be talking about the Hangman. Very classy, right? Yeah, so in today's videos, let's get straight to the point by showing you Hangman. So, several times, here it is. Port random. OS, this is for the operating system. And let me just show you everything since this is my first video of 2026. Function to clear the terminal, clear, then to Hangman, then you can just format the values to where these, then to print the Hangman win. And this is the function to go to be guessed. Have a look. This is the function for everything. Each function has its own function. It's function. Yeah, that's enough about functions. Let's just talk about this. So this is the function to check for the win. So def Hangman Game word, then this is it. Then this is for every character in the word. Then this is the loop. And if I'm going too fast, please feel free to, slow me down. Because I'm already going as slow as I can so I can show you everything. This is the loop. This is the necessary values, the printing the necessary values. This is accepting input. Checking whether it's an alphabet or not. Chain if it never, we already tried this before. We've played the games. I've played these games several times. No need to do that. So if input or output is not correct letters, then incorrect end. Then show Hangman values. Hangman values chances equals chances plus 1. Then if chances length of Hangman values, then here it is. Over. The word is, then else for island word, then that's for I in range the length of words. That's updating the word display. Then checking if the player has already won. Then if the player has won, then that's it. I'd see our program as we run because, Claire is not a command prompt. So according to the beginning code, operating system, import OS means operating systems. So therefore, this is function to clear the terminal. This is function to, clear everything in the terminal. So clear is there. So you're putting this in a command prompt type of that command. So that's what we'll see in red, literally in red. And here it is, clear. Here's the type of categories that we can choose. DC, Marvel, and anime. Then DC, then Marvel, then anime. Then this is what I've put for everything. Then the game loop, then true, then game menu. Have a look at it, the game menu to choose which one you want. Then ta-da, the exit choice. Then, if you choose 1, that's DC characters. 2, Marvel characters. 3, anime characters. 4, quit. See the way I did it again? Quit. Yeah. So basically, here we go. The topic shown, the word randomly selected, then the overall game function. Then that concludes me showing you the program overall. Hope you've seen everything. And also feel free to snap this section of the code. Each section of it I showed you in this video, feel free to snap it and use it in code and modify it if you wish to. Because I'm going to run the program right now and I'm just going to conclude this video and see if nothing ever happened. And what I mean by the several times, if you want to ask, several times of running this code and running PyCharm times and times without a number. Let's do this. Let's do this. Sorry, this snagger doesn't follow my movement, so next video I will fix it. Come on, baby. Oh, running. Oh yes, and just to let you know, these are the processes running my PyCharm. This is a new version of Python, and it usually takes time to do this. And I've not been using it for a while, so this is why it's like that. Index never fear. Very soon, these indexes will be fixed as normally. Don't worry, guys. This is just the beginning phase of 2026. Yeah, wait. We will get our answers soon. After an impressively long while, PyCharm has given us this. After an impressively long while. And look what I picked. Question mark. Wrong choice. According to our if conditionals. Yeah. Sometimes when we run, we need to just, stick to the picture we see here before us. Yeah, kind of classy, don't you think? And I'm going to choose the test, so I'm going to pick 3 for this time. Alrighty. So let's think carefully. What would it be? It starts with V. I'm thinking V. I'm thinking V. It has to be a V. No way, this has to be a V. PyCharm takes the time, don't worry. Yeah, I see. It's a V. I already know what this is. It's probably gotta be a Dragon Ball Z character, according to what it says on my t-shirt, if anyone noticed at the beginning. Vegeta is the answer. Vegeta is the answer. Just have to use your noggin, guys. Just have to use the noggins. That's my advice. Use the noggins. My advice is use the noggins. Use the noggins. They always help. My advice, use the noggins. Ta-da! And we didn't even have to let the hangman hang. We just let it free. Problem solvemo. Time to come to the conclusion and the comments of this video. And all I want to say... Quit. Thanks for playing. And let's run to the commentary area. Let's run through the commentary area. Thank you for seeing my video. And anyways, for the answer to that question is Vegeta. Yeah, the answer to that Hangman was Vegeta. And anyways, if you want to have a look, yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is my answer. If you ever wanted to have a look at it, yeah, that was my answer to that question. And therefore, to everyone watching, that was a very, very good piece of code, don't you think? Yeah. See me in my next video, where to be a Python video, where to explain something very interesting that you might be wanted to enter. And after, I'll be talking about a JavaScript video. Don't worry, it all goes in the sequences. All you have to do is to follow me into the tunnel of 2026, because we just entered it. Alright, that's it from me, and you'll be hearing it from the description. You'll be hearing it from the description. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a nice time, and have a nice day as well.